Hello to everybody watching today. This is a quick but I think really useful video that can help the health of your beard and especially the skin underneath it. And to summarize, when you are using an in-shower beard conditioner, try to keep it to the hairs and not massage it into the skin. I'm going to explain why and what can happen if you are doing that. But first, welcome into the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is DanCBearded. For anybody that is new here, if you're returning, thank you for checking out the video and the channel once again. If you guys feel like this adds any value to you, please consider supporting this channel by subscribing, by hitting the like button, by sharing this on your social media accounts. All of that is free, but it does make a big difference for me, so thank you guys for that. So let's get right into this here. Beard conditioner in the shower should be used on the hair and not massaged into the skin. Now, I don't think that this is common knowledge. I don't think that this is something that everybody thinks about or practices, but if you are doing it the wrong way, it can impact your beard health, especially when we are talking about beard drift and dry skin. Well, if something conditions, why would it be bad to get it to your skin? Well, when we look at in-shower beard conditioners, they have a couple of different properties for what they try to achieve. One of those properties is to seal and coat, right? We do have some absorbing ingredients in here, but any in-shower beard conditioner is going to try to latch onto those hairs and try to coat them or seal them. Well, when it gets down to the skin, it does the same thing. And if you have anything on your skin like dead skin cells or dirt or grime, buildup, sweat and salt, anything like that at all, that conditioner is just going to sit on top of it and kind of layer it into the skin. Then when you go for your next conditioning, it's going to put another layer on there and it's just going to compound that problem. I recently did a video about beard drift. All of those things stand true. If you have any issues with using conditioner and you've been massaging it into your skin, just go check that video out. It'll give you ways and steps to be able to kind of get rid of those dead skin cells and start fresh again. And this is not something that I've been practicing my whole beard career or even really been thinking about. It's just something that as I was studying beard drift and dry skin and the actual use and intention of these different ingredients in these different products, this came up and it makes sense. Beard conditioner is for the hair, beard wash is for the skin underneath and the hair. So just think about that. Don't get your fingertips, don't rub it in. Even if you feel like it feels good, it's gonna help out your skin. We don't want layers of conditioner on our skin. Why? Because when you get out of the shower, the oil is not gonna be able to absorb into the skin like it properly should. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to ramble on and try to make this a long, drawn out video for no reason, but I'm ending with a conclusion here. Do you guys have any questions on this? Did you already know that? Does this make sense? Anything at all, guys, please leave it in a comment down below. If you're on your phone, you just have to hit the comment box and then drop it. If you are on your computer, if you scroll down, you should see a spot to be able to leave a comment. So thank you guys for all the support. Again, subscribe, like, share, any of those things. It sounds cliche on YouTube, but it's because it's for a reason. It actually helps. It actually makes an impact. And let's try to spread this channel as far as it can go. So thank you guys for watching today. DanCBearded, stay bearded and stay positive.